Matthew, darling, we think you should move back to Minnesota.
I don't know how you're gonna do this.
Excuse me. She's been like crying for hours. She can either hit you with a streamer or she'll buckshot you. It's on that sign out there that says parents. I'm a parent and I don't know what the hell I'm doing. You had your mom, because she would have been better at it.
Maddie. It's not working out. She's not asleep. Maddie. It's not working out. Asleep. Maddie.
Maddie, say it just to be saying it. You look like a king. King?
Raising a child, it's a non-stop all day.
How does it look?
I think it's a new look. I think it's a new... I am well aware of what my daughter doesn't have.
Mr. Logan, Madeline,
Because I'm a father.
do this, but you can't.
No, man, you're right. I can't do it. But you know what? Liz, I didn't get to hold her hand. Thank God today I got there in time to hold her.
It's always just us. Other people have more people.
You are trying to make everything perfect.
Hai pemirsa CMTV. Studio CMTV akan meringkas film Fatherhood yang rilis 2021. Kita akan menyaksikan kehidupan seorang suami yang kehilangan istrinya karena melahirkan seorang bayi perempuan. Film ini terinspirasi dari kisah nyata, Memoir Two Kisses for Maddie. Apakah ia akan kuat menahan cobaan itu? Bagaimana ia merawat bayi mungil yang imut dan lucu? Selamat menyaksikan Cekidot. Cerita dimulai seorang pria bernama Matt bersama istrinya bernama Liz bertemu dokter kandungan. Dokter mengabarkan posisi bayi yang sungsang dan air ketuban sedikit sehingga harus dilakukan operasi. Mereka terkejut karena rencananya 2 minggu lagi, tapi harus dilakukan malam harinya.
So I want to schedule a cesarean for this evening.
For this evening?
Mereka sudah membayangkan bagaimana rasanya punya bayi. Pasti menyenangkan dan membahagiakan.
And a kiss from mommy.
Give daddy a kiss. Wake up. I'm ready. I'm ready to dance.
Pada malam hari, operasi dilakukan tim dokter Rumah Sakit Memorial Boston.
It's gonna be okay, alright?
Okay.
I love you so much.
Matt!
Yes, Marion.
I can't see! Come on!
It's so beautiful. But I do wanna look. But I don't wanna look.
Want to look away now, Matt?
It's happening. I wanna look, but I don't wanna.
I love you.
I love you too. How we doing, Doc?
Here she comes.
You see the baby?
I do.
Oh my.
Operasi berjalan lancar.
And there she is.
Joyride, she likes to roll here in my ass. The drums that start off night inside, still about starlight day. Same kind of music.
Matt dengan kasih sayangnya memberikan hadiah kalung kepada istrinya. Liz berterima kasih karena perhatian Matt.
A little sore, but
How are you?
you're still gonna have to do diapers.
As long as they promise to change my diapers.
You doing this?
I want to see Maddie.
Hey.
Tiba-tiba Liz pusing dan kesulitan bernafas.
What's wrong with her? What's wrong with her? Liz, I don't know. Liz.
Breathing? I'm gonna get some help.
Liz.
Medical emergency!
Tim dokter segera menolongnya. Matt menunggu di luar ruangan dengan perasaan tidak menentu. Ia tidak percaya istrinya telah tiada.
What's that mean? Don't tell me how much is that?
What?
Kini, Matt siap menjadi ayah sekaligus ibu bagi Maddie, bayi mungilnya. Walau lelah, Matt mulai terbiasa mengganti popok bayinya. Matt akhirnya tidak bisa menahan emosi mendengar bayinya menangis terus. Ibu Liz menyarankan ia untuk pulang kampung ke Minnesota agar mereka dapat membantu merawat bayinya. Matt tak setuju karena pekerjaannya ada di Boston. Ibunya menawarkan untuk merawat bayinya. Matt yakin membesarkan Maddie sendiri. Ibu Liz akan tinggal selama 6 bulan. Matt kesal mendengarnya karena tak dipercaya. Di kantor, Matt terkejut dan terharu karena begitu banyak bunga ucapan duka di meja kerjanya. Bosnya sampaikan begitu repot mengurus bayi. Matt minta izin ke bosnya agar bekerja dari rumah saja. Ia akan datang bersama bayinya jika bos butuh dirinya.
Do you have solid poops yet?
I'm dealing with the creamy.
With your roses and your flowers? Because it's packed with nutrients. When you get to solid poops, it's not a picnic.
Matt tak sabar ketika membereskan baby stroller. Ibunya menasehatinya.
I'm telling you I'm trying to do it and you're just not I can't. I've always been so impatient. This ain't got nothing to do with patience, Mom. Shit.
Not without Liz.
I can't do none of it. You have to do the rest of your life. You have to do what's best for her. I'm gonna be praying for you 10 times a day.
Listen.
Ibunya dan mertuanya pulang ke Minnesota.
Love you, Mom. How's feel like?
We have a deal now. It's in her best interest.
Matt semangat tapi tidak yakin ketika melihat Maddie. Matt, kocak juga. Matt membawa Maddie ketika ia bermain basket. Matt terpaksa menjawab sembarangan ketika orang-orang bertanya.
Where's Mom?
Oh, Mom's an astronaut training in NASA. Screaming. Wow. I bet they thought you psyched to get away from you too.
Where's Mom today?
Oh, Mom is serving time in San Quentin.
Matt bersenang-senang bersama Maddie di rumah.
Oh, Daddy. I'm sorry. Ayo.
Matt membawa Maddie berbelanja, bahkan meninggalkannya di parkiran. Matt, hampir Maddie lari. Hihihihi. Suatu kali, bayi Maddie tidak berhenti menangis.
What?
Going down is getting rocky and shower goes up. Come on, Maddie. Here it is.
She won't.
Well, sometimes I would sing you a little lullaby and that...
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Just higher.
Go to sleep,
Go to sleep, Maddie. Maddie, go to sleep. Maddie, go to sleep.
Go to sleep, Maddie.
Your father is tired.
That's not abuse.
Daddy. Your daddy said go to bed, Maddie. Oh, no, that made it worse.
Matt bingung hingga ia harus ke pusat konsultasi bayi. Matt disarankan menggunakan white noise. Sekedar info, white noise adalah derawan suara yang menenangkan dan menyamarkan kebisingan sekitarnya. Matt menemukan bahwa white noise Maddie dari suara vacuum cleaner. Matt sangat senang karena Maddie tidak menangis lagi. Di kantor, Matt membawa Maddie kerja.
We're gonna vacuum. They're gonna here we go. Here we go. Vacuum. Hey, Maddie. Hey. Vacuum.
Matt juga presentasi sambil menggendong Maddie. Audiens hanya senyum-senyum saja.
Again, it's about giving our customers what they want, which is the simplicity.
Yeah.
Presentasi itu
Just wanted to say,
berhasil.
great presentation.
Some flowers. Changing a lot of diapers.
Cute baby, Pappy.
Mind if I hold?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Di pesta ulang tahun anak temannya, Olivier, Matt bertemu seorang gadis berprofesi animator bernama Lizzie Swan. Mereka cepat akrab dan terlihat serasi. Mereka pun mulai kencan.
What did she say to that?
She said that her mom is.
What?
Yeah, swear to God.
What is she...
Took her to this mummy show. And we were talking about DNA at the mummy show. So I tried. You know what it is? Maddie just asks a lot of questions. She just. What?
All those hot single moms at the kitty
Stop
park.
it. Stop.
I guess I'm kind of surprised you're still single.
Look, Maddie, we're about to pass the school that your mom would have wanted you to go to.
Matt memasukkan Maddie di sekolah impian istrinya, Liz. Maddie punya masalah karena melanggar aturan berseragam. Ia memakai celana panjang, sedangkan anak perempuan wajib memakai rok. Ini mungkin pengaruh ibu dirangkap ayah yang adalah laki-laki.
Hello, Glenn. We need to discuss the dress code.
Hey, you have a good day, okay?
We're gonna walk you through how our software can help you redesign every ad. I'm sorry, it's bring your kid to work day, so you can only imagine. You gotta see. What's going on? Stop it. We're.
Hi.
Yes, it is.
Let's go out.
No, wait a second. Stop it. Come on. Give me the keys. Give me the key. Stop. What are you doing?
Suatu kali, mereka bermain di wahana permainan. Matt dan Maddie sangat bergembira.
Slow it down. Y'all gotta stop it. That's enough. Way too loud in here. Yeah. You okay? Hey. Y'all gotta turn this. Oh my God.
Matt mulai mengenalkan Swan dengan Maddie dan Maddie merasa cocok karena Swan pandai mengambil hatinya.
Good. Maddie, this is Lizzie.
Whoa, whoa.
Hold on. See that? See how cool that is?
Yeah.
Comes, hit him with the wave.
Goose. Di sekolah, gurunya menyiapkan rok untuk dipakai Maddie. Ketika bermain, salah seorang temannya mengejek celana laki-laki yang Maddie pakai. Maddie terjatuh hingga kepalanya bocor. Ayah telah tahu karena sedang bersama Swan. Ia bergegas ke rumah sakit ketika tahu Matt punya trauma dengan rumah sakit itu dan memutuskan hubungan dengan Swan. Maddie tidak suka ayahnya memutuskan hubungan dengan Swan. Di kantor, bosnya mempromosikan Matt di posisinya karena ia juga telah dipromosikan lebih tinggi. Syaratnya, Matt harus bepergian tugas dinas ke Kroasia dan London. Matt menyetujui walau saat sudah di bandara, ia melihat anak-anak dan teringat Maddie.
Bro, what? Look, you can do it, Maddie. Jordan. Oh my goodness. Maddie, I'm watching this. Oh my God. Jordan. Come on, Maddie. Hey, Jordan.
Somebody's cutting onions or something.
Jordan, she walking.
Hingga ia memilih pulang. Maddie kehilangan kalung ibunya yang diberikan Matt kepadanya. Matt nampak kesal. Matt menemukan kalung itu di lantai saat membereskan kamar Maddie. Ia memberikan pada Maddie yang senang tahu kalung itu ditemukan. Matt dan Maddie menemui Swan.
Me and Maddie were in the neighborhood, so we figured we'd stop by.
No, we weren't.
We were not in the area, but I stopped and we were in the neighborhood.
No, we weren't.
Let's say, sorry for being an idiot. Be here, then I leave them on the step. Then somebody come by, they steal the flowers. And I wanted to come and bring the flowers by.
I'm gonna go get some ice cream. You want a third one?
Mereka melepas rindu dengan makan es krim bersama. Wah, nampaknya Maddie bakalan dapat mama baru nih.
You gonna spill it? And I don't have no more money. Don't spill it. Spill it. I don't have no more money. Spill it. Don't spill it. Hey, hey. Don't spill it. Hey. Don't spill it. Don't spill it.
Film berakhir. Pesan moralnya, ayah dan ibu yang baik mengajarkan kasih sayang dan tanggung jawab agar kita menjadi orang yang berguna. Terkadang kita lupa kita sedang diajarkan tentang kehidupan, sehingga kita malas, lamban, bahkan melawan. Jangan lewatkan waktu berharga bersama orang tuamu saat ini, karena kamu akan merindukan waktu yang lewat itu, dan menangis ketika mereka kelak sudah tiada. Dan hanya tinggal kenangan. Dukung kami dengan subscribe, like, komen, notifikasi, dan share ya. Terima kasih telah menyaksikan. Bye-bye.
Of what my daughter doesn't have.
Mr. Logan,
Madeline.
Because I'm a father.
do this, but you can't.
No, man, you're right. I can't do it. But you know what? Liz, I didn't get to hold her hand. Thank God today I got there in time to hold her.
It's always just us. Other people have more people.
You know, trying to make everything perfect.
I just want to do what your mom would have wanted me to do.
Wherever you are, I want to go there.
Everything perfect. But we don't have it.
Somebody's cutting onions or something close to us.
Hey, y'all gotta...
Cute.
Kisses. One for mommy. Don't be scared.
On to me.